Hi friends, I'm Christy Marie. Welcome to NutrissKids, the place where we learn about healthy foods in the most fun way. Look at all these amazing friends. Together, we'll discover how each food helps us grow strong, smart, and full of energy. Fruits give us awesome vitamins, veggies make us super strong, and cereals give us the power to play all day and learn new things. Isn't that cool? It's like a party on your plate. So, join me every week for colorful adventures, super fun songs, and amazing facts about the foods that help us feel our absolute best. Are you ready to explore with me? Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our adventures. See you next time.